Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at Avis, Detroit Airport. Again, my first time here, so let's take a look at some of the cars they have available here. And I think we'll start over here with this row. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to the channel if you want to see more of these videos. Quick video, quick like. And what do we got here? We got an F-150. Just trying to think again, first time here. Okay, so we'll do these. Oh, another Blazer, eh? Blazer RS, so I really like these with the blackout trim. Yeah. And then, so there's the Avis office down there. So let's go down F row. Avis preferred. We got a Nissan, Kia, Corolla, Jeep Compass, Toyota Camry, and then we got a RAV4 hybrid. Actually, you guys can't see it here, but over on the road, they're unloading a whole bunch of those RAV4 hybrids. Brand new off a truck. I'm not sure if that one's new. Got a Traverse, got an Equinox, Camry, and got a RAV4, and then a larger Toyota. So I'm just forgetting the name of some of these cars. Sorry guys. Got a Ford Explorer. Oh, that was a Highlander. Okay, it's coming to me. Just a little delayed. Hyundai Kona. There's probably another Highlander, Toyota Highlander. Oh, another Blazer with a blackout trim. Is this another? Yeah, another RS. Oh man, these are nice. Great to see Avis has a couple of these, and they got a 4Runner. And they got a bunch of SUVs down there. We'll see if we can kind of squeeze that into the video. Lots of returns. Oh boy, returns, overflow. Oh gosh. They got a whole another reserve section down there. Yeah, Avis seems to have a lot of cars. Okay, so we got a Toyota Prius hybrid. Let's see what we can cover here for you guys. Chevy Mountain. Kia, sorry about the wind noise. It's kind of windy here. Another Blazer, all blackout. Kia, Hyundai. And we got a Ford Edge. Oh, we got a Grand Cherokee. This has got something on the side here. I think this is an older one though. Is this a special trim? Let's just do a quick look here. There's that Highlander. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's blacked out. Okay, we got a Cadillac XT5 here, 3.6. You know, I'm going to take a peek in here. And, okay, I think this maybe is a little bit of an older one. Well, maybe not older. 21,000 miles. There's that Cadillac. Somebody's taken that. A GMC Terrain here. Another Grand Cherokee. Oh, we got an older Murano. Don't see those too often anymore. Nissan, maybe that's a Sentra. Corolla. Ford Explorer. An XLT Ranger. 4Runner, and another Ford Edge. It's kind of, oh boy, it was just kind of reminding me of LAX. It just got a lot of cars, so this is all the returns. If you guys want, I'm going to keep rolling here, but you can kind of fast forward if you want. I'm going to work my way down to another section here. I'll try and show you some of the cars and the returns while we go down to. Oh, actually, the larger SUVs are over here, so let's do that, and then we'll see if we can kind of work in some of the other reserve sections over here. Okay, kind of see a bunch of the cars coming back, or the overflow here. And this is where you pick up the shuttle bus, go to the airport. And let's go over here. So we got a Palisade. Kind of just stopped over here. We got a couple cars. Looks like they're stopping to have a chat. And so this is going to be all the full-size SUVs. And what do we got here? We got a bunch of Ford Expeditions. That's a newer one. I think these are the older ones. And then we got a Dodge Caravan mixed in here. Chrysler. Oh, that's, yeah, Chrysler. Okay, another, yep. And then at the end we got a Suburban. And then let's go for another walk here. Oh boy. And we're in Section K. And a bunch of cars around here. Go for a little tour. Oh, this is all overflow. Okay, so yeah, no, Avis got a ton of cars here. This is all overflow. They got signs up. And then okay. All right, well, let's go down some of these aisles here. Oh man, Avis has got a lot of cars. You know what, I'm gonna kind of go down the middle here. It's daylight, so I should be able to pan back and forth. Got a Charger and a Mustang Coupe EcoBoost. Honda Accord Sport, another Mustang, another Blazer RS. That one needs a wash, so I'm not sure. Maybe these are kind of... Oh, you know what? I wonder if these are returns or if they're going in for service. You know, could be a bunch of these have tags on them. Okay, so I guess that's probably... Yeah, what's going on here? Yeah. I thought with the sign some of these might be available, but you can still kind of get an idea of some of the other cars in the fleet. Got a 300 Explorer Limited. Ooh, gonna explore that. I don't see that very often. That one's marked recall on the back. Yeah, these all need service. And I guess this is probably where the car wash and the service area is. And then, okay, so here this is, jeez. Go around, see what we've got around the corner here. Is this more cars? I'm gonna get lost here. All right, let's see what else we got here. So this is kind of overflow returns, I'm guessing. And then, all right, so let's go over. I'm totally gonna get lost here. All right, so more aisles over here, more cars. Oh boy. And Genesis over here. You know, it might be worth going through, okay, so this is, let's go down, okay, there's one more aisle here, I'll show you guys, and then we'll sign off. I saw this Genesis over here, and Explorer, couple Explorers, 4Runner, more cars over there, a couple over here. But I try and remember how to get back to where I started. Okay, oh, we got a Lexus here. A Yukon. Okay. So I think I'm over where those buses are. Is that where I started? Let me see if I can kind of cut through here. I'll keep rolling in case you guys want to keep watching while I walk back to the front. Some of these, kind of noticing some of these cars have dealer stickers on the back. Probably either bought from the dealer or might even possibly bought used. Car shortages. There's one got a 2021 sticker on it. Okay, so I think I'm getting back to where I started. And then, okay, so this is definitely all the returns. So all the cars are coming in here. Yeah, there's the buses, a couple more cars. And we're getting back to where we started here. You can see a couple more cars kind of coming in through the returns here. And, all right, so people being dropped off. I'll kind of squeeze through down here. And then this is where the bus stop is, I guess, for if you're going back to the airport. I think that's going to wrap things up. Okay, so we're back where we started. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. Again, this is Avis at Detroit Airport. And I'll see you guys in the next one.